with them. Be a lies and you never get to no. Too big like that. You know what we say? One down here now. Read it.
Alright.
As we enter inside, one from King Shango, Capleton, and it's called Stepping. Dedicate this one to Avalanche. I see a rock to this one here. Now we have a couple of people or a few people to mention. Big up who forget big up and
yes, respect. First of all, we big up the most I Jah Rastafari, the creator, King Selassie, the first again. Yes, I have to take time out to big up my fans. Big up all of my fans them worldwide, globally. Anthony Peters, big up yourself, said your big respect goes out. Yes, want to big up Nama Jean, my producer, Nama Jean Angel, big respect. Big up yourself, Gregory Praises, my artist.
No style radio.
Send a special respect goes out to my friend Junior Pressure them from Coventry. Today is a birthday. Live up you with more life and more blessing.
Yes, I am.
Worldwide global, big up my fan base, them Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. All my Facebook fans. Big respect.
right, to hear it from the big man himself. Big up all the people over in Coventry.
One ball of fire when we left it.